Hey guys, so this is some gorgeous hair, so let's jump right in. This hair is from HerGivenHair, and they did send me over their Coily textured clip-ins, and I do have them in a 16 and an 18. I did wash this hair. I used my Pantene conditioner, and I also used my Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner. I let the hair air dry, and this is what it's looking like. So the braid pattern that I used is super simple. I just have leave out around the front perimeter and in the middle part, and then I just braided the hair going straight back with 2 braids going straight across the nape of my neck. I used the 4 clips here, and then I used the 5 clip right above it, and then I just staggered the clips and just made them fit as best as I could, and I used every single last clip in to get this style. So I started with the 18-inch at the back, and then I moved up to the 16-inch at the top, and then I just used some water and some conditioner, some water and some of my GLEEmade mousse to blend the hair into my hair. And then I also used the GLEEmade edge control on my edges to lay my hair down. So if you guys have questions, definitely leave them in the comments down below. I'll also leave links and a coupon code if you want to go ahead and grab this hair. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys watch. So you guys, this is some absolutely beautiful hair. The hair is such a realistic curl pattern. It really does match my own natural pattern. My natural hair is a little bit brown because I did color my hair. So once I take the leave out, you will be able to see it a little bit because my hair is not black anymore. But I promise you, if my hair was black, like, you would not be able to clock this curl at all because it is so realistic and natural looking. This hair is super high quality. I've worked with HerGivenHair before in the past, and their quality is just there. It holds up, and if you're willing to pay, because it's going to be a little coin, but if you're willing to pay, the hair will definitely last you a very long time, and the curls just get better and better with time, like I promise you. And the more you work with them, the easier it is to blend the hair into your hair. And I just love clip-ins because they're just so fast, and it's a nice, quick, protective style that you don't have to do a lot of work for. Like, it literally just comes together so quickly and easily, and I love that about clip-ins. So here you see me putting in a bobby pin on either side just to style the clip-ins a little bit and give the hair a little bit of shape. I also was in a rush. I had to run out the door, so I just wanted to style the clip-ins a little bit and show you guys how I do it when I'm just kind of on the go. So these are the only two products I used in this entire video. It's the GLEEmade Edge Control and the GLEEmade Styling Mousse. And I also used the baby hair scarf. All these items are available on Amazon as well as on my GLEEmade website. So yeah, you guys, the hair came out so cute. I absolutely love it. I went out to brunch after I styled my hair like this. I got so many compliments, and it was perfect because it was hot and humid outside, and I didn't have to worry about my leave out getting puffy or getting curly because it's already curly. And I just love that when you're going for a natural look that's low maintenance and easy to wear all day in the heat and the humidity. So definitely check out this hair. It's really high quality, it's really beautiful, and it's easy to wear if you're a natural 4C girl. So you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a curly, kinky, clip-in hair lover, share this video with your mama. Peace out.